My name is Tanya Rucker, and I am back. um, so yeah, I just wanted to talk about just a few things, a couple things. I do want to thank everybody who's been commenting and who's been reaching out to me about this new business, and I'm really excited about. It's definitely a new venture for me because I'm always about travel, but I like how this new business lets me venture out to not just travel because I am very passionate about multiple streams of income. I'm passionate about trading, as you know, of anybody who watches any of my videos would know. Passionate about investing, and a new sort of interest of mine is credit and credit repair. I've learned so much so far in just a short amount of time about credit repair. Forgive me if I'm wincing because I don't have my glasses on or contacts on. I don't know. I just didn't feel like wearing glasses right now. And I didn't feel like putting my contacts on because I'm getting ready to take a shower and go to bed soon. Anyways, I have those daily contacts that you only supposed to wear for that day, so I didn't feel like wasting contacts to do that. But just first, I kind of want to just share something really quick. I wanted to share something that I'm pretty proud of. So I created this journal last week. It took me, I don't even know if it took me a week. I saw this on TikTok, how somebody created just a journal and posted it. I'm not sorry, posted it, published it through KDP, Amazon KDP. And I'm like, this seems simple enough. Let me try. And it actually turned out way better than I expected. It looks, I don't know, it looks really great to me. It's for my first journal. It's actually a goal-oriented journal. It's supposed to help anybody who wants to reach any type of goal. So I'll just show you a little bit. So my first page, I have like a little to-do list, just, what do you want to accomplish? And then I have something what we call SMART goals. I don't know what it looks like there. It's probably backwards. But SMART goals, basically, SMART goals are specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, timely goals. There's very specific goals, and it helps you reach realistic outcomes. So I have that, and then I have monthly goals. You can break your goals down into monthly goals, and then you can break your monthly goals down into weekly goals. So whatever you want to accomplish that month or whatever you want to accomplish that week. And then I have like a page where you just write notes, and I have like little affirmations like for this one. My first one, it says, I invest in myself. I put a few affirmations on different pages, just some of my favorite ones. I don't know, it's really cute. So I'm proud. I'm proud of it. It's definitely a start for me. I want to publish other things. And yeah, it just kind of follows that pattern for a while. Or pattern. My husband likes to get on me because I don't say pattern. It's not pattern, it's pattern. I don't know. I like pattern, okay? That's how I grew up. Pattern. But no. And that's some more affirmations. I am worthy of love. I forgive myself of mistakes I have made. It's really cute. It did have a little color in it, but the printing cost was higher. So if I had to so basically if I did it in color, the cost would be like $3 more. Right now, so that means if the printing cost is more, I would have had to raise the entire cost of the book. Right now it's $9.99. I probably make about $3 per sale. So it's just pretty cool. And then towards the end of the book, I kind of just have like some empty pages where you can write your own affirmations. And at the end of the book, I have some more weekly goals, some extra pages for more weekly goals. So I really think it's cute. It's so cute. If you do want to purchase, I'll leave a link down below. If you just want to support the book or support me. I'm trying, I don't know, I'm like, do I want to write in this, or do I just want to just keep this or frame it or something? My husband told me to frame it, but I don't know, it's so cute, and I want to start writing in it. I don't know, I have to decide. I have so many journals and planners and digital planners and things like that, and I need them all. It helps me. It just helps me reach my goals and things like that. So yeah, that I just wanted to share that. That was exciting for me this week. But I really wanted to get on here and talk about credit cards. I don't know about you, but growing up, I I always was told that credit cards were bad, like stay away from credit cards. Don't take out a credit card when you go to college. All this fear behind it, like if you take out credit cards, you're going to be in so much debt. And it's not entirely true. Let me put my glasses on cuz I can't see. I can't see. I can't see what I'm trying to write cuz I have some notes here on my computer. And I, credit cards aren't bad, okay? They're only bad if you abuse them, right? They're only bad if you are spending all this money and you don't have the money to pay it back, or you're not even paying your minimum monthly bill that's due. I mean, you don't even want to get stuck in that, right? You don't want to end up like thousands of dollars in debt and you're only paying like the minimum required amount. I don't know, maybe 29, 39, depending on the credit card. I don't know. Even if you are like thousands of dollars in debt and you're only paying like the minimum amount, you're going to be paying that forever because you're going to be tacking on interest every month and you're only paying the minimum. You're going to feel like you're in credit card debt forever. My rule of thumb, don't spend the money if you don't have the money to pay it back next month or before that period is over. And I mean, it's simple, but not to everyone, right? But I just kind of want to talk about the advantages of having a credit card because it's a lot of negative connotations when it comes to credit cards. And I try to tell people who are interested in, rebuilding their credit or improving their credit, how important it is to take out a credit card. I mean, if you don't trust yourself with a high balance, you can get a credit card with a low balance, like $200, $300, and just spend a little bit a month and then pay it off. That is it's not gonna completely, improve your credit score, but it's definitely going to help. But I'm really just want to talk about the advantages right now. So these are some of my favorites. I have 6 advantages right here. You have the sign up bonuses, which is really cool because a lot of credit cards, they offer like $50, $100, $250 cash back if you spend a certain amount of money within a certain amount of time. A lot of times it's like 90 days or 30 days. If you spend this such and such money, you get this money back in rewards or points or credit money. So that's really cool. It's like basically getting free money, right? And right now this type of money isn't taxed because the government doesn't know how to tax it quite yet. So right now it's not taxed. One of my favorites, which I love, is the cash back. A lot of credit cards, depending on the credit card, of course, and where you're purchasing, they offer between 1% to 5% cash back. For example, I just recently took out a Walmart credit card because we spend so much at Walmart. We have a I don't think it's called a super Walmart. We have a big Walmart with a grocery store by our house, and we get our groceries delivered from Walmart darn near every week. And I'm like, if I'm going to be spending this much on groceries at Walmart, I might as well just get a Walmart credit card and get 5% back each time I spend that money. Right now, I'm over, or either, I think last time I was at $93 cash back from the groceries that I spend at Walmart. So that's just one example because they offer 5% back every time you purchase something. One of my favorites. They also have investment rewards, which I didn't even know. I just learned this myself, just doing research on the advantages of credit cards. Some credit cards, such as Fidelity, they offer investment reward credit cards, and they give an even higher rate of cash back. I might have to look into that because I'm all about investing. It's nice because it encourages you to invest and encourages you to save. Of course, I knew about the frequent flyer miles. I'm definitely looking more into travel credit cards because I want to travel more and I am going to travel more. And oh, another one of my favorites is safety. Definitely safety. I was explaining to someone the other day how I do not use my debit card for anything unless I'm specifically taking money out of the bank, which I don't really do because I don't really carry cash that much. But I don't use my debit card for anything because I don't trust it. That's my cash. That's my money. A credit card, let's say some fraudulent activity happens on my credit card. Yeah, I'm upset about it. I'm going to call the bank though, and they're going to dispute it. They're going to erase it, or they're going to do an investigation. And I don't have to wait for them to put that money back into my account. If versus me using a debit card and something fraudulent happens. So let's say I use my debit card on some online store, and instead of them taking out $20, they end up taking out $100 and possibly overdraft my account. Now I'm pissed because I have an overdraft on my account. Not only that, they took my last $100 because I wasn't expecting that. I was only expecting 20, and now I have to call the bank and they have to do an investigation, which can take some time. And you may not get that money back right away. More than likely, you're gonna get that money back, but it's not gonna be right away. Versus if it happens on my credit card with my $10,000 limit, yeah, I'm a little upset about it, but I'm not super hurt because I know the bank is gonna give my money back after they do the investigation, and I still have my debit card if I need to get cash, if I need to still use money. So that's one of my big favorites right there. And then a lot of credit cards, people don't know, they offer insurance. I'm actually using this right now because we're going to be traveling in a couple weeks. And a lot of credit cards, they include rental car insurance and travel insurance. So look at the benefits of your credit card and see if that is something that your credit card covers. Okay. And the last one, I'm not sure what number that is. Of course, I was talking about this a little bit earlier, building credit, another one of my favorites. If you don't have a credit history, or if you need to improve your credit score, a credit card can definitely help you raise that score. I mean, obviously, you have to use the card wisely. Debit cards do nothing to help improve your credit score. Usually, I think maybe with maybe like Navy Federal banks, I'm not exactly sure how that works. Maybe a debit card can help, but for the most part, credit cards are going to be the ones to help improve your credit score. So don't think you take a bank account and you get a debit card and you're helping. No, it's not. It's more than likely it's not. So provided that you use the credit cards responsibly, credit cards have a lot to offer, and I love them. I love my credit cards. I do. I love them from all the reasons that I named here. And a lot of stores too, like Old Navy, they offer discounts on their products when you do use their credit cards. So keep that in mind too if you like discounts on products. But my all-time favorite is my rewards. I love getting, or my cash back. I love getting my cash back. I love that free money. Honestly, I just end up using that money either on my credit card bill or like on my Amazon card because I'm guilty. I'm always buying Amazon package or something. I mean, I'm always getting an Amazon package. Amazon card, they offer 5% back. So just imagine how much you spend on Amazon and how much money you could be getting back from that. So, yeah, that's really all I really wanted to talk about. If you have any questions, let me know. Of course, I'm going to leave the information to my business down below. If you have any questions, comments, just let me know. Reach out to me, and I will see you next time. Thank you.